Well, in this video, we'll show you things to consider when choosing the right hose size for your perforated metals. First, dapat malaman natin na itong open area o mga butas is expressed as percentage. If 30% ang open area, then 70% ito ang metal area. Itong percentage ng open area determines not just the look, but also how it functions, such as ventilation, acoustic control, or even lighting. Hindi lang ang size ng butas ang importante. Vital din ang distansya ng mga butas sa isa't isa. Ang tawag dito ay pitch. Example, meron tayong dalawang sheet, both at 40% open area. Pero if you look, they are different. One has a large hose spaced out at ang isa has smaller hose pero closer together. So tandaan nyo, dapat talaga i-consider ang open area, hole size, hole shape, and pitch.